Hey guys, welcome to our channel Food Treasure. We got herb crusted salmon on menu today. We're going to show you how to make restaurant style looking salmon on your plate by easy home cooking. Got some breadcrumb, finely chopped parsley we're mixing through. On the plate you can see salmon fillet, chat potatoes, lemon, and for the vegetable I got some green beans. And we're going to put some salt and pepper on our crumb mix. The seasoning is essential for every cooking, so meanwhile we're heating up our pan, greasing some canola spray. As you can see the smoking, so it has to be really hot. So its skin side gonna go down there so we can get nice golden crispy skin. I'm pressing a little harder because normally it shrink. So on the back burner I'm placing some water. So when it start boiling I'm gonna add some chat potatoes because it's gonna take time. So meanwhile we'll cook the salmon. I'm gonna get ready with the potatoes as well. So basically we're saving time. So when on the top part of the salmon we're gonna place some dijon mustard. So dijon mustard it is for the flavor, and it will work as a glue for our crumb. So we're gonna stick that crumb on the top. On the flat plate, I'm placing my salmon. I'm gonna make sure I got all the breadcrumbs like all over, like so it look nice. You can see that. I'm placing back on the pan again. Meanwhile, I'm making my puree as well. So which is going to be white bean puree. Placing some butter. So when butter start melting and it is hot enough, so I'm placing some garlic. So we're not doing the hard work. So I got the can white bean bought it from the supermarket. I'm placing that one. It is ready to eat. Mixing through, bit of salt, seasoning again, yeah. And if you need to add some water, you can add some water as well. If it shouldn't be like too thick. You can see the nice golden crisp at the skin side of the salmon. You can also finish it in the oven, but I'm cooking on the pan. It's not that hard, so I'm just cooking one salmon. I'm placing touch of water, a little bit of water to make like it will evaporate, and then I'll give some good heat to cook the salmon. Blending my sauce. So it is a puree, so I'm blending that one. So it's gonna go down there on the plate. See the salmon? It's a medium to medium well. You can do well done or the medium rare. Is up to you how you want your salmon to cook. I'm blanching my green beans, but vegetable can be your preference. Like you can add broccoli, like Chinese broccoli, asparagus, like whatever your preference. So on the pan again, I'm melting some butter. So my potatoes are already soft enough. So I'm placing that potato. The potato is already cooked. I'm just getting some color on the pan. On the same pan, I got some salt, pepper, for the flavor. On the same pan I'm gonna place the green beans, which is already blanched. Pretty much we got everything ready, so we're good to go. So we got the vegetables puree ready, so and the salmon ready as well, so we're good to plate. So I got some white bean puree on the plate. The golden brown cherry potatoes, green beans, vegetables, and the salmon.